lamsogo takok te bokok sona ani YouTube channel o ang tini nironi bagai koktoma kaham towai paipika amongka kaisa part time teacher tilangjangnai government of Tripura ni phasing tui amongka kaisa project office of the project coordinator samagra shikha amongka district education officer North Tripura ni Dharmanagar ni phasing tui notification lamokka amongka work interview tilangjaknai part time teacher ni bagai North Tripura ni bagai abo koktoma kaham jara North Tripura o tongnai rok abo kaham khe naina rok baidi oro details khaiwi rojak tongo je ekta school o tilangjaknai part time teacher abo tongo 10 da ni wngwi tongo Laljuri BRC Hall o Kanchanpur SS Higher Secondary School Kanchanpur North Tripura o jagao interview tilangjaknai hinui sajakha aboni date wngkha 18 tarik 9 March 2024 phumni 11 থেকে sarigni 3 joratui interview narakjaknai hinui sajakha 10 dani bagai 2 number tongo Laljuri ni bagai bahaino jaga thaio same to same Laljuri BRC Hall attached to Kanchanpur Higher Secondary School Kanchanpur North Tripura o jagao nuklainai bonike Laljuri elaka ni bagai khe 19 tarik 9 March 2024 o tilangjaknai interview phumni 11 থেকে 3 joratui teibo 3 number tongo Damsara ni bagai hingkha khe location rojakha interview ni jaga thai rojakha office of the block project coordinator IS Damsara state Panisagar North Tripura Panisagar ni block project coordinator ni office o interview najaknai aboni bagui date rojakha 20 tarik September 2024 ni dino hingkhe abo haino 11 AM থেকে 3 PM joratui interview najaknai tamo teacher tamo subject ni teacher tilangjaknai or jaga details khaiwi rojak tongo tei eligibility criteria rojak tongo tamo qualification nangna amo hairok koita post tong amo hairok pura details khaijak rojak tongo aro jaga naidi first tongo 10 da ni bagui khe kaisa post tongo khali abo wngkha UR ni bagui ekta post aboni subject teacher wngkha BSc Bachelor of Science ni bagui tilangjaknai science teacher aboni school wngkha Borsora High School tei aboni bagui qualification nangnai TET qualify hayakheba graduate in BSc logeo B.Ed khaijak wngna nangnai hinui sajakha aboni bagui salary rajaknai honorarium hisabe 11,000 per month jotono 11,000 khaiwi rojakbainai teibo tolao naidi aro tongphio Laljuri ni bagui 3 post vacancies tongo 3 UR ni bagui 1 SC ni bagui 1 ST ni bagui 1 khaiwi Laljuri ni najaknai aboni toma subject najaknai BSc tei history tei English ni teacher tilangjaknai hinui sajakha aboni school bumung wngkha Laljuri High Secondary School bai aboni bagui bo qualify wngna nangnai TET qualify hayakheba graduate wngna nangnai tei logeo B.Ed khaijak wngna nangnai hinui sajakha tei aro tongphio Damsara ni bagui 2ta post o tongo BSc tei English aboni bagui school name rojakha Paija Government High Secondary School o khlainai aboni bagui TET qualify wngna nangnai tei haikhaba amni bagui bo TET qualify wngna nangnai hai kheba graduate with BSc hai kheba English ni graduate ungjak wngna nangnai loge bo B.Ed khaijak wngna nangnai hinui sajak kha ge aboni bagui jotoino 11,000 khaiui rojaknai per month ge aro teibo term and condition rojak tongkha ek number o tongo applicants to only female o jagao jara apply khainani bagui bwrui rok simino apply khaiui manai hinui rojakha abo wngkha purely contractual basis khaiui najaknai 1 year ni bagui hinui sajakha teibo aro rojago prefer rojaknai abo wngkha jera school ni by distance 5 kilometer ni area o tongnai oborokno prefer rojaknai hinui sajakha tei aro tongo total working hours rojakha 4 hours joratui duty khainai hinui sajakha obo hai khe term and condition rojak tongo ge bono nirok kaham khe naiui nadi screenshot bo khai nai mano haikhe tuluk tuluk porai nailai di ge jara eligible candidate rok ar jagao thangui apply khainani wngthang ge tini bagui SMS nai video no sajak hangkhe like khai di share khaibai di tei naiui tongkha hangkhe subscribe khai rodi teibo kotal kotal job notification manani bagui jotono hambai puila chiming paitha jora nai tongmani bagui।